Okra coconut milk curry. Heat 1 tb's coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon cumin, and 2 sliced onion. Add 10 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Sauté until its raw smell goes, and the onion into translucent. Add 3 chopped green chili. Add 2 tomato pieces, and sauté into mashy. Add the okra pieces. Sauté it till it's slightly wilted. Add 1 cup thin coconut milk, and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Add salt and cover the pan, and cook. After 5 minutes the okra is well cooked. Add 1 cup thick coconut milk, and mix. Turn off the stove. Transfer the curry into a bowl. Heat 1 teaspoon coconut oil, and add 1/4 tsp cumin and 1/4 tsp fenugreek seeds, and few curry leaves. Fry it and add this to the curry, and mix. Okra coconut milk curry ready. Enjoy!